If you've ever wondered why your Hotmail inbox feels a little cramped, or you just want to stay ahead of your email storage limits, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your storage on a Hotmail account using the updated 2025 Outlook interface. It's quick, it's simple, and it can save you from missing important messages. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the Outlook login page. The fastest way is by visiting the Microsoft 365 website and clicking the Sign In button. Enter your Hotmail email address and password, and if you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one right there. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Outlook inbox with all your emails laid out. Now focus your attention at the top right corner of the screen. Look for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and a sidebar or drop down will appear with various customization options for your Outlook experience. Scroll all the way down and select View All Outlook Settings. This will open a more detailed settings window with several tabs on the left-hand side. From here, click on General, and under that category, choose Storage. This is where you get the full breakdown. You'll see exactly how much storage your Hotmail account is using, from emails to attachments. It's incredibly helpful if you're running low on space or if you just want a clear picture of what's taking up room. You might even spot large attachments or old emails you no longer need. Clearing these out can instantly free up space and keep your inbox running smoothly. Staying aware of your storage is especially important if you use your Hotmail account for work, school, or projects where missing an email isn't an option. A full inbox can block new messages from coming in, so checking your storage once in a while is a smart habit. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully checked your Hotmail storage and can manage your email space with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next one.